welcome back to my channel. Don't watch over there, so now, let's pretend that there's nothing there. Yeah. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have never yet seen this face nor heard this voice, my name is Miss Renee Richards. So if you are new here, I would love for you to be a part of my growing family by subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video drops. And to my lovely day one subscribers, my beautiful supporters, I just want to tell you thank you all so much for continuing on with me on this journey. And you can look out for more frequent videos and some more like actions and me and a reason and all a joy and all these things and all these things and all these things. Yeah. Guys, from the description, the title, you would already know that this video is another dental video, and it's my reasons to why I didn't continue on as a dental nurse after I got my qualifications. So guys, when I started the dental nursing course back in 2019, we started like the September, and by October we were in placement. And for me it was one of the moments when I finally got into placement. It was like, oh my gosh, what I've prayed for, I'm actually living my prayers. I'm actually living what I prayed for. And it was so mad, and I was so thankful. I was so thankful to have finally got myself into a clinic where I wasn't sitting as a patient. I was helping to treat and to look after patients. I loved being in that environment. I worked with two amazing dentists, and they would literally took me under their wing, and they would teach me when they were doing a treatment. They would be like, Renee, come and have a look at this, and they would talk me through step by step what they were doing. Bearing in mind, I wasn't a trainee dentist, I was just a trainee dental nurse. So I enjoyed it from that aspect. I enjoy seeing patients come in with low self-esteem, low self-confidence because of whatever issue was going on with their oral health and their oral hygiene, and coming in with that and leaving with that extra boost, that extra confidence. I enjoyed learning about the different treatments, the restorations, watching dentures being created, being molded, just everything to do with dentistry that I could soak in. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So I know you guys must be thinking, well, if you enjoyed it so much, why on earth, when you finish your course, did you not go on to do become a dental nurse full-time or work in a dental clinic as a dental nurse full-time? Guys, I'm a settler. And what I mean by I'm a settler is that I have settled so much in my life. I've settled throughout my teenage years, my early 20s. I have settled, and I've settled in every aspect of my life. I've settled in jobs, in homes that I've lived in areas that I've chosen to live in. I've settled with relationships, and I'm not just talking with men, intimate relationships. I mean, like, even with friendships, I've just settled, and I've settled for so much and for so little, when I know that I can do so much more. I'm capable of so much more, that I'm worth so much more than what I allow myself to get. And that was one of the main reasons, that was the main reason why I did not go into becoming a dental nurse full time. Now, yes, being a dental nurse it's a great job. It's a great career, and it does give you that sort of stepping stone into the dental field. But I know the type of person that I am, and I know for a fact that if when I didn't get in to do the dental hygiene and therapy course in 2020, I know that if I had went back into education instead of taking that year, I know that if I'd gone and worked as a dental nurse instead of just taking that year out to sort of just work on me, write books and whatever else, I probably wouldn't even have applied to do dental hygiene for the year after, and I would have probably still been a dental nurse, because I would have got used to minimum wage, and I would have got myself into that mentality to say that, you know, I need the job, I need to be here, and I'll apply next year, and I'll apply next year, and I'll apply next year. I believe that I am so much more capable of the role of a dental nurse. And this isn't me being big-headed, but I know what I can do. And I went through a stage in my life where I didn't push myself enough. And again, as I said, I just settled, and I was just going by in life, and I just never pushed myself. And even though I know that I've got so much within me to get out, I know that if where I was mentally, I could not go into working as a dental nurse. At placement, I worked alongside some fantastic nurses, some real great nurses who knew their stuff. And I would ask them, you know, how long have you been a nurse for? And they would say to me, oh, you know, I've been a nurse for 25 years, for 10 years, for 15 years. Since I left school when I was 16, I've been a nurse, and I'm like 30 now, 28 now, whatever their ages was. And for me, it was just like, oh, okay. So when I'd ask them, like, okay, so are you going to do anything else? Are you willing to go to be a dental hygienist or go over to be a technician? And they would always be like, yeah, no. They would always be like, no. And their reasons for saying no was because they said they were happy being a nurse. They said that some of them said they couldn't afford going into dental hygiene and therapy. They didn't want the responsibilities. And for me, it was just like, oh, okay. Now, I worked alongside two fantastic Asian dentists. When I mean excellent, they were two fantastic dentists. And I remember them both on two separate occasions saying to me, Renee, do not stop here at being a dental nurse. You push yourself and you go as far as you can in this dental field as possible. If you can reach the dentist, you go, you strive to be a dentist, but you do not stop at being a dental nurse. And I believe that those words, with where I was already mentally, gave me that push to say, do you know what, like I can't stay just being a dental nurse. It's just not it for me. I have too much to give. I don't want to be assisting the dentist, or I don't want to be just assisting the dental hygienist or the dental therapist. I don't want to be sat next to them. I want to be in their chair doing what they do, because I know that I'm capable of doing that. I know that I'm capable of restoring teeth. I know that I'm capable of scaling and polishing and whitening your teeth. I know that I'm capable of giving you oral health advice. I know what I'm capable of doing, and I'm capable of more of just washing instruments and setting up the practice and giving chairside support. I know I'm capable of a lot more of that, and it was because of that. And as I said, where I was mentally, why I did not fully enjoy being a dental nurse, and why I did not want to stay at that level as being a dental nurse. Now, I want to say this. I want to send this message not just to dental nurses, but anyone who is in a position where they're in their life where they feel like they can do so much more than where they are at now. Push on. Because if you have that feeling that you can do more, you have it in you to do more. You are capable of doing more than what you are doing at the moment. So push on. And do not let anyone stop you, and do not let anyone tell you that where you are at now is where you continuously need to be. Level up. If you see an opportunity to level up, level up. And if you don't see that opportunity, let me tell you something, you create that opportunity. Do not stay at the same level that you are at and think that is okay. It is not okay. This world is full of opportunities to progress. Take the opportunity and progress further in this life. So guys, I really hope that you've been able to take something away from this video. I will be doing a few more dental videos in the next coming days. I do realize that you guys do jump in my inbox or comment down below on the videos that I do that are dental related. My darlings, enjoy the rest of your week. If you have not yet connected with me over on IG, my IG page is just_Miss_Richards. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys soon on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.